About an issue that popped up during a recent surgery. It is the law in you right here on Eyewitness News. Back with us are legal experts, attorneys Greg Fellerman and Ed Ciarimboli. Gentlemen, welcome.
He's the master of medical malpractice. I'm dying to say it.
I just wanted to get a smile out of him.
Well, you made him laugh. Greg cracked the joke. That's pretty big.
How about it? That's
All right.
big. That's big today.
That's what he walks around the office saying, so I'm just going with it.
No more show.
Yeah. I mean, you almost can't even top that. All right, here's our question tonight, and this is from Peter in Plains. Peter says, I was in the hospital for a short stay procedure. I didn't feel right after the surgery. I was released, and a day later started to get very sick. It turns out the surgeon cut something that he shouldn't have. I've had to have 9 surgeries since. I have my records. Now, what does Peter in Plains do?
Yeah, okay, Peter, you've obviously watched the show before. You got your records. That's the first step. The next step is to talk to a lawyer that handles malpractice cases. We happen to handle quite a bit of medical malpractice cases. The process is going to be that lawyer is going to review the file, develop a chronology of the events of what happened, send the file out to an expert who's in the same specialty or subspecialty as that surgeon, and then they got to make a determination on whether there was in fact negligence in the case. The fact that something got cut during the surgery isn't in and of itself negligence, but obviously, if it wasn't recognized and repaired in a timely manner, then you may potentially have a case. But good job getting your records. Now get to an attorney so that you can determine whether you actually have a malpractice case.
I'm going to defer my time to my partner. You can talk more.
And that's really it. I mean, you know, obviously, like I said, you've obviously watched us before because we always harp on getting the records, and that's the most important thing because, you know, it's a very confusing time. Probably nobody's talking to you at the hospital telling you what happened, why it happened, so this is the best way to get to the bottom of it.
You know, I'll vouch for this. Behind the scenes, Greg really does like to talk.
Oh, yeah.
Not so much here on the law and you sometimes.
It was an experiment to see if he could talk the whole time.
He could talk a cat off.
He did. I knew he could.
We both know he could talk a cat off a fish jar.
There's no doubt about that.
Oh,
all right, those that want to talk to you, how can they do that?
Well, they could call me, 570-714-HURT. See me on the web, 714hurt.com.
Or if you have a question, put it on our Facebook page. We'll do our best to answer it on an upcoming segment.
Results matter. Attorneys Greg Fellerman and Ed Ciarimboli. Have a good night.
Take care.
Don't forget, PAHomepage.com and the Law and You hotline are always open.